In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a free Lemon AI account. First, head over to Lemon AI's website at lemonai.ai. Then next is click on the login button. Now from here, you should see the register button at the bottom of your screen. All you have to do is click on this. And here you have two options in creating your Lemon AI account. You can simply register with your Google account or through your email address. Once done, you might be prompted to verify your email to activate the account. And once inside, explore the dashboard. Here you'll see tools for generating AI images, prompts, and creative assets. Then next is set your preferences. Choose your art style, resolution, and use case so that Lemon AI can generate better results for you. Finally, start creating your first work. In this section, simply enter a prompt, generate your first images, and download them for personal or commercial use depending on the plan. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!